Well, hello world. Hello everybody. So yesterday we were poking around this here potato plant and we got this potato out of it. It just kind of just fell into our hands, so we went poking around to some other ones and we felt this one. I hope I can find it. I think it was right in there. Right here. I mean, it was, oh, yep, this is it. I don't know what that is. Where am I here? Oh, okay. Dang it, I hate that. Yeah, that. Looks like another tuber. Anyway, we're going to take out this potato. Right there. I have hopes of. Hopefully I don't kill a plant. It's huge. Look at that. Big red potato. How cool is that? So we'll just bury that hole back up. Let that continue to march. So let's see what we got. There you go. The vegetables of my labor. So I don't know, man. They're kicking some butt. They're still really, really growing. I just don't know when to. But man, if I get a huge potato that size out of it, I wonder what else is under there. So we're gonna cut that up, peel it, cut it up, fry it, and eat it today. All right. Live by your wits, not by your worries. Peace. Bye. Oh well, let's not go by yet. Have a look. I pulled some leaves off the rutabaga. Man, it's kicking. I can't see what's going on. These suckers are giant. Damn flea beetles are killing my turnip greens. My cantaloupe has gone insane. Now, I saw a video about a gardening video, about like gardening. And they said, them leaves, sometimes they're not such a good idea to have so many leaves on your vegetables. So I've been cutting them off, and man, look at it exposed all those flowers. Now the pollinators can get to them. I might be a cantaloupe eating individual here in a little while. All right, that's it. Bye.